ಜಯ ಜಯ ಜಗತ್ರಾಣ ಜಗದೊಳಗೆ ಸುತ್ರಾಣ ಅಖಿಲ ಗುಣ ಸದ್ಧಾಮ ಮಧ್ವನಾಮ ಮಧ್ವನಾಮ ಮಧ್ವನಾಮ. With the blessings of Sri Harivayu Guru, we are in this ongoing series of a simple explanation to the great sahitya marvel, that which is Madhwanama, written by Sri Great Mahan Sri Sripadarajaru. Well, this is the Pallavi, which says Jaya Jaya JAGATRANA JAGADOLAGE SUTRANA AKHILA GUNA SADDHAMA MADHWANAMA. Well, the outline brief explanation is like this. Jaya Jaya, let us hail victory. To whom? To JAGATRANA, the one who is the protector of the entire universe. JAGADOLAGE SUTRANA, to the one who is the supreme protector, not just a normal protector, he who protects specially. Akila Guna Saddhama, he who is an abode to the Supreme Lord Sri Hari. Madhwanama, he who is known by the name Madhva, which is a Vedic Nama, which is present in Vedas. Let us hail victory to him. Let us say Jai Shri Madhvacharya, Jai Shri Hanuman, is what this Mangalacharana gives us. This is a Mangalacharana where Sri Sripadaraja says he hails victory to Madhvacharya. Jaya Jaya is the words he starts with. What happens when we hail victory to someone who is superior? They bestow us with victory and auspiciousness in life. When we say Jai Shri Ram, that Ram, who is a repository of all the infinite auspicious attributes, bestows us with auspiciousness in life. Likewise, when we say Jai Shri Vayu Bhagavan here, he bestows us with auspiciousness, with victory in our life. Well, we can get into two more meanings here. Jaya Jaya, Sri Sripadaraja, who is a great Kavi, a Kavikula Tilaka, has given us two Jaya here. What all the two that we can relate to here? Well, the word Jaya means Utkrishta. Jayati Utkrishto Vartata iti Jayaha, which means he is supreme, superior. The word Jaya means superior. To whom he is superior? He is superior to the entire category of Jivas. Lord Shri Hari, who is the supreme one, then Lakshmi Devi. These two does not come under this category of Jivas. So excluding them, starting with Brahma Vayu, each and every living being belongs to this Jiva Gana, the category of Jivas. So when we say Jaya, which means superior, Vayu Bhagavan, whom we are talking about, is superior to all Jivas. He is the Jivottama, is what this Jaya means. Jaya Jaya, there is one more Jaya. Well, there can be so many meanings that can be referred to here. This Jaya refers to Madhvacharya. The word Jaya also means the great epic Itihasa Mahabharata. And who is the one who gave Nirnaya, verdicts to so many aspects of Mahabharata? It was Madhvacharya through his Grantha Mahabharata Tatparya Nirnaya. So by giving verdict to the Grantha Mahabharata, which is meant by the word Jaya, here the Jaya refers to Jagadguru Sri Madhvacharya, Jivottama Sri Madhvacharya. Jaya Jaya, Jaya Jaya JAGATRANA. Now there are three adjectives used in this Pallavi. JAGATRANA, JAGADOLAGE SUTRANA, AKHILA GUNA SADDHAMA. Let us see the first adjective, JAGATRANA. The word Trana has some 3 to 4 meanings. The word Trana means Rakshaka, the one who protects. So he is the one who protects the entire Jagat, universe, which is why he is called JAGATRANA. The word Trana also means power, strength. He is the one, Vayu Bhagavan is the one who bestows the entire Jagat with strength, which is why he is called JAGATRANA. He is the one who bestows strength to the entire Jagat. The word Trana also means Jnana, knowledge, wisdom. So he, Vayu Bhagavan, bestows us with wisdom, which is why he is called JAGATRANA. The word Trana also means the capability, ability of control. As he has the control and manifestation control to the entire universe, Jagat, he is called JAGATRANA. So by the word JAGATRANA, we came to conclusion to four things: that he is our protector, Vayu Bhagavan is our protector, Vayu Bhagavan bestows us with strength, Vayu Bhagavan bestows us with knowledge. While a person bestows us with strength and knowledge, it is a clear fact that he is filled with strength, power, and he is very knowledgeable. That is clear to us. Being a Jivottama, he has the supreme power and strength. So JAGATRANA gives us all these meanings. Jagadolage SUTRANA. The word Trana holds the same meanings which we discussed now, and we are adding one more adjective, a prefix to it. When we add this, the word Trana gets its superior position. Now what we said? We said that by Trana, Vayu Bhagavan is the protector of the universe. By adding Sutrana, Sripadarajaru has brought to us the fact that Vayu Bhagavan is the supreme protector of the universe. Among the protectors, there are lot of devatas who are our Tattvabhimani devatas. They reside in us. They actually control our senses, control the organs through which we are able to talk, we are able to walk, we are able to see, etc. There are lot of devatas who are a devata. Ganesha, for example, is responsible or is the Abhimani of Akasha, space. So there are lot of devatas who are present in us, who are present outside of this, in this universe, who actually are protecting us. But who is the one who is the supreme protector? That person is Vayu Bhagavan, who has an upper hand above all these devatas, who is the actual special protector to us, who in turn protects all these devatas and us too. That is why he is Sutrana. Jagadolage Sutrana. Trana, we saw two other meanings, which is Jnana and Bala, which means strength and wisdom. So Vayu Bhagavan, he holds the highest strength. When we said that he bestows us with strength, JAGATRANA, he is the supreme or superior in the strength, considering all the devatas. This we can equate to the story of Venkatachala Mahatmya. In the third yuga, it was called as Sheshachala, where there appeared a competition between the Sheshadeva and Vayu Bhagavan to decide on who is the strongest, who has more strength. And Vayu Bhagavan easily, by moving the mountain, proved his supremacy of strength that he had. So, considering the entire category of jivas, where the specialization strength exists with the devatas, considering all these devatas, it is Vayu Bhagavan who holds the highest strength, who holds the highest knowledge to being the Jivottama. When we take the Purusha devatas, it is the devata who has the most strength will be higher in Taratamya, will have higher knowledge. So here Vayu Bhagavan has higher knowledge, highest strength, which is an intrinsic quality of him being a Jivottama. So Jagadolage Sutrana. So is the best, superior, supreme. So he, along with being a Trana, JAGATRANA, he is the best of all who protects. He is the best of all people who have strength. He is the best of all who hold knowledge, says Sripadarajaru. Akhila Guna Saddhama. Well, Vayu Bhagavan, he is an abode to the Supreme Lord Srihari, is what this means. Akila Guna, who is a repository of all the infinite attributes at an infinite level. That is equated with the word Brahma. So this word Akila Guna refers to Brahma, that Parabrahma, Supreme Lord Srihari. Dhama means house, home, or an abode, a residential place, which doesn't exactly mean a home but an abode. Here, Akila Guna Saddhama means that Vayu Bhagavan is the abode to the Akila Guna. Who we equated with Akila Guna? It is Parabrahma, the Supreme Lord Srihari. So, Lord Srihari takes abode, be in Vayu Bhagavan. His Sannidhana, the enhanced presence of Lord Srihari in Vayu Bhagavan is there, is what Sripadarajaru says here. There is one more prefix added here to Akhila Guna Saddhama. This abode, Vayu Bhagavan, is not any normal abode on which Lord Sri Hari resides, but an abode which is immaculate, which is away from flaws, Saddhama. And Vayu Bhagavan holds an enhanced presence of Lord Sri Hari is described to us when he says Akhila Guna Saddhama. Vayu Bhagavan is Akhila Guna Saddhama too. That is also a right interpretation of these words. When we say Akhila Guna Saddhama to Vayu Bhagavan, which means he is a repository of all the infinite attributes to an infinite level. Now you may ask, when you say this sentence, doesn't it bring a similarity or equality between Vayu Bhagavan and Lord Sri Hari, where we always say that it is Lord Sri Hari who actually is a repository of infinite auspicious attributes at an infinite level? Well, yes. Even when we say infinity, there is taratamya, or there is difference in infinity too. For example, in today's max, to explain easily, let us take infinity plus 1. It is called as infinity. Infinity minus 1 is also infinity. But does infinity plus 1 is equal to infinity minus 1? Definitely not. Infinity plus 1 is higher than infinity minus 1. Likewise, even though both Vayu Bhagavan and Lord Sri Hari can be said as repository of all the infinite auspicious attributes, the level of infinity of attributes that the Vayu Bhagavan has will not equal to the level of infinity attributes, auspicious attributes that Bhagavan Sri Hari has. So here, Vayu Bhagavan too, Akhila Guna Saddhama. Well, the Dhama means an abode. He is an abode to the infinite auspicious attributes. Madhwanama. And what is his name? He who holds the name Madhva. And this is a Vaidika Nama, a name which is mentioned in the Vedas. Madhu plus Va is Madhva. Madhu plus Va, in this addition, the ukara, the syllable U gets diminished because it is a name mentioned in the Vedas, and as per the metric chandas of the Vedas, the ukara is diminished and it becomes Madhva. Madhu means Ananda. Madhu means bliss. Va means Tirtha. So the person Madhva is none other than Srimad Ananda Tirtha Bhagavat Padacharya. Madhu means Ananda. Which Ananda? That extreme Ananda, moksha. Va, we said Tirtha. A synonym of Tirtha is Shastra. So here Madhva means that person who has given a Shastra which will take us to moksha. Madhva Shastra. So here Madhva is the person who has given us that moksha sadhana Shastra. Madhwanama is there. Nama means best, uttama. We say Tilaka, right? Kavikula Tilaka, which means he is the best among the Kavis. Likewise, here Nama also means best. So, those who have given the Shastras for moksha sadhana, the best among them is Madhvacharya. Madhva Nama is the meaning. Now, consolidating this, let us hail victory to that protector of the entire universe, to that person who is full of strength, who has the supreme knowledge, who has the supreme strength, who has an ability to run this universe, and that person who is called by the name Madhva. It's a Vaidika name. It's a name given in the Vedas. Let us hail victory. Say Jaya to him is what Jagadguru Sri Madhvacharya's mahima in the Pallavi of Madhwanama, a grantha by Sri Sripadarajaru. Generally, when we say on the Pallavi or Mangala Charana, the essence or a synopsis of what is in the grantha will be brought in this. And here also, Sri Sripadarajaru has done this. When he says JAGATRANA and JAGADOLAGE SUTRANA, he has brought to us the fact that he is going to explain the Moola Avatara, how the act of Moola Avatara is by these two words. When he has said Akila Guna Saddhama, he has brought to us the fact that he is going to describe the Hanumad Avatara and Bhimasena Avatara. Because how we explain the Hanumad Avatara? All those great auspicious attributes. Buddhirbalam, Yashodhairyam, Nirbhayatvam, Marogata, Ajadyam, Vakpatutvancha, Hanumat Smaranad Bhavit. So all these attributes are explained in these two avatara, Hanumad Avatara and Bhimasena Avatara. And it is brought in this synopsis of the Pallavi where it says Akila Guna Saddhama, Madhwanama. By saying the name Madhwanama, the Madhvacharya's charitra which is going to happen in the third part of Madhwanama is also brought in this Pallavi. With this, we'll move on to the episode 2 where we will bring the first padya of Madhwanama. Shri Krishnarpanamastu.